Hey guys, today I've got another exciting PR package to open. Let's see what we've got here. This has come to me from Born Pretty. We've got here 4 polishes. 3 of them are from their Nude Jelly series, and one of them is a glitter reflective gel. So I'm going to get the plastic packaging off of them so that we can have a look. They're very nicely sealed for transport, and I'll get them ready to go. So I've got my swatch sticks ready, and I'm just going to go straight into swatching these and see what they're like. So we've got 1 reflective glitter. We'll start with that one and give it a good mix. Ooh, it's a really nice black with colored sparkles in there. It's really nice. All right. So the color I have here is the Glitter Reflective Gel GR06. So this was a 6-piece set, or there's 6 in the collection. And we're going to see what these look like. So it's pretty thick to put on, which is expected of a glitter gel. That's always the case with glitter gels. They're very, very thick and clumpy, just because it's packed full of reflective glitter. So you do have to play with them a little bit sometimes to level them out nicely. And I would go definitely 2 coats with this. But it looks like 2 coats will fill that in nicely. You can see with the first coat there's a little bit of patchiness, but again, expected with a glitter gel. A reflective glitter, you generally are going to need to do 2 coats unless you want just a very, very mild effect from it and not the full effect. Now we go in with our second coat. And the other way you could do this is like 3 really thin coats to get the coverage that you're looking for, nice and even. But in 2 coats, this was easy. Here we go. We got really nice full coverage. No patchy missing spots. It looks good. And that laser color of reflection in there is really cool. I don't think I have anything like this. I'm gonna check my stash and see, but put that in the lamp. Next up, we've got from the Jelly Nude collection, JN75. And this is like a milky, syrupy shimmer white that looks really exciting. Oh, that's got such a beautiful shimmer to it. The application is nice and smooth. The formula is really nice and uniform. Yeah, it's a really nice one. And it does have that syrupy, milky look to it. With 1 coat, it's still very translucent, which is great. Going in with a second coat. That is a gorgeous milky shimmery white. That'd be beautiful for some winter snow nails. I could see myself using this very nicely. Then the next one is the Jelly Nude JN85. And this is a very, very beautiful red. Leaning more I don't know. Let's see. I want to say burgundy, but it's kind of looking cherry in there. Let's see what we got. Oof. That's a very cherry red. A lovely, like, not quite dark cherry, but bright cherry red. It's very glassy, but with a lot of color pigment in it. Be interesting to see what the next coat does. That second coat evens it out so nicely. So it's 2-coat coverage, but looking really good with that second coat. Lastly, we have Jelly Nude 89, so JN89. And this is looking almost black on camera, from what I can see, but it's not at all. So let's see how it comes out going down. It is a gorgeous blue. Oh, look at that. This is a very dark greeny blue. I don't know, hard to say. This is a very interesting color. The perfect blue tone for me for autumn. So here's my swatches, all top coated. And as always, I've done matte at the base, glossy to the tip. It's really interesting, you can see on this flash glitter that the matte got rid of the color in the lasers, and that's really interesting to me. So I know it gets rid of the sparkle, but I'm surprised that the laser hollow look is completely gone. Like there's no color to them. So I don't know what reaction causes that, but that's really cool. There's the black flash glitter with just the flash on my phone. So you can get a good look at that flash reflective. I'll try with even a little less lighting. Oh, look at that. So I've shifted off almost all the lighting in my room, and you can really see how gorgeous that flash effect is. And it's interesting to me that in the flash, it is still picking up a little bit of the color under the matte, but in person I really can't see that very much, but you can see it under the flash, so that's really cool. And it looks even way better in person because this just does not, I don't know, the camera, while that looks really neat, it still just does not pick up the effect completely. It's really stunning how flashy that is and how neat it is with those laser colors. The matte effect on this milky white glitter is actually really nice. I like that. Just trying to get a little better color representation for these jelly colors. Having a hard time picking it up. There, that helps it a little. So you can see this one is like has a bit of a gray tone to it. It's a very interesting blue. I really like it. It'd be really nice for fall color stuff. I would say with the blue one that you might want a third coat to get really uniform coverage. If you were using it just as a solid color, that you needed that, but otherwise if you're using it for a base with something over it or anything else like that, then it would be just fine to play with the color layers. So you can find these on the Born Pretty website, and I have put the detail links in the description below. The nude jellies are $5 US a piece, so $7 Canadian, which is a great price for a 10 ml bottle for sure. And the reflective glitter is $6 US, $8 and change Canadian. I want to say thank you to Born Pretty for sending me these polishes to have a look at. They'll be a lovely addition to my collection. And to everyone else, thank you so much for sticking around and watching my videos. It's always appreciated. Hope you enjoyed it. And as always, until next time, don't forget to love your nails. Bye!